have completed mock test 6. The portion for this mock test is the fundamental unit of life. We discuss answers for the questions given in mock test 6. 21st question is, the term cell was given by. 4 options are given here, that is names of 4 scientists. The correct option is Robert Hooke. Then 22nd, genetic material of eukaryotic cell contained in nucleolus, nucleus, nucleoplasm, nucleoid. For this, the correct option is nucleus. Why? Because nucleolus and nucleoplasm are found inside the nucleus. Nucleoid is found in eukaryotic cell, prokaryotic cell. That is why that is not correct option. 23. Lysosomes are also called suicide bags, powerhouses, kitchen of cell, all the above. In these 4 options, suicide bags is the correct option. Why? Because they contain digestive enzymes, and when food materials are not available, they digest the cell itself. That is why they are told as suicide bags. So 23, the correct option is suicide bags. 24, the outermost covering of a plant cell: plasma membrane, cell wall, vacuole membrane, nuclear membrane. Outermost cell. In cell, the plasma membrane is found, and in plant cells, outermost membrane is cell wall. That is, outside the plasma membrane, in addition to plasma membrane, cell wall is found in plant cells. So the correct option is B, cell wall. 25. The infoldings of mitochondria are known as cristae, matrix, cisternae, grana. Matrix is found in mitochondria, that is the material found inside the mitochondria. Cisternae are the foldings in Golgi complex. Grana are found in chloroplast. So the correct option for 25 is A. 26. Which of the following are covered by a single membrane? Means in organelles, which organelle is having only one membrane? Mitochondria. 2 membranes are found. Plastids. 2 membranes are found. Nucleus. Double membrane is found. In vacuole only single membrane will be there, and the vacuole contains one membrane, that is known as tonoplast. So for 26, option is D. Then 27. Lipid molecules in the cell are synthesized by smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, plastids. In this, smooth endoplasmic reticulum will synthesize lipids. That is why option A is correct. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in protein synthesis. Golgi apparatus function is storage and packaging the materials that are transferred from endoplasmic reticulum to Golgi apparatus. And plastids, some will give color, some are involved in food materials, synthesis of food materials. So for 27, A is the correct option. Unicellular organisms take in oxygen and pass out carbon dioxide through exoosmosis, endoosmosis, diffusion, active transport. Simple diffusion. For this 28, C, diffusion is the correct option. 29, the only cell organelle seen in prokaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cells, all the organelles are absent. Even definite nucleus is not found. Mitochondria, plastids, lysosomes are organelles. That is why those are not found. Only ribosomes are found in prokaryotic cells. So B, ribosomes is the correct option for organelle other than nucleus containing DNA. Other than nucleus, DNA is found in chloroplast and mitochondria. Here, mitochondria is not given, chloroplast is given. That is why the correct option for 30 is B, chloroplast. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosome, or the other 3 options what are given, those do not contain DNA. With this, we have completed all the answers for mock test 6. Thank you.